Good morning, brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, students, scholars, sportsmen, listeners and learners, speakers and scholars, professionals and professors, those who are listening from the world of science, religion, spirituality, arts, commerce and engineering. The most respected present Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi ji, ministers and doctors, respected fathers and mothers, affectionate sons and daughters. I, Dr. Rakesh from USA, welcome all heartily, cordially. Really, it is very praiseworthy, appreciable and admirable moment in Gramathan College of Education. You are watching blessings and grace of Swami Keshwananda. Indian land basically is known as the land of saints, freedom fighters, free thinkers, revolutionaries, basically the greatest feature of our nation is unity in diversity. We have varieties and diversities on the basis of every kind of caste, color, creed, language. With these unique features, with these uniquenesses, our nation is known as one of the most powerful country. So this message, which was spreaded out by, now you see, you listen, there is a railway track along with this building, and the College of Education, which is in the lap of nature. It is in the lap of nature. So in this premises, in this peaceful and comfortable place of listening, now in this time your presence is really praiseworthy. You are listening the truth of life through science and spirituality. Our present Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi ji, who spreaded out this unique message to the whole world. Swami Vivekananda, who was the starter, beginner, initiator of Ramkishan Mission, and Gautam Buddha, who was the starter of Buddhism, Mahavir Swami, who was the starter of Jainism. Numberless, uncounted persons are born on the land of our motherland. It has created a lot of diversities, classifications, varieties, bottom to top, root to fruit. It is one. It is praised with the different words in praise of admiration of this nation. We see a great statue of our respected honorable elderman, he who is the milestone and landmark of this institution, as in the field of education, sports and culture. This institution has brought multi-talented, multi-skilled personalities for the upliftment and betterment of this nation. Behind all these things, there is a blessing and grace of Swami Vivekananda, who addressed the whole nation by saying that spiritual power is the utmost power. Spiritual power means life and weakness is death. So unspoken is more powerful than spoken. Unheard is more powerful than heard. Unwritten is more powerful than written, which is the huge message similarized with the inventors of language. This same message was given by Swami Vivekananda all over the world. Among them, Swami Keshwananda, who spreaded out this message of education, who has been the saint of education for the upliftment and betterment of the villages. He established his doctrine and principle on the basis of simple living with having great moral and spiritual values. It is a bank which saves the values, human values, in the form of education, in the form of words. But words fall short in praise of such personalities. Those who remained strong pillars of the nation. So, really he was the praiseworthy and admirable person who was simple, but his thinking was beyond to reach. Today it has become the research center. A number of research scholars, scientists have been produced by getting the religious and spiritual knowledge. I expect for the glory and name fame of this institution in future. I again thank God who is providing the wonderful time for listening the truth of life through science and spirituality. It is said that by repetition of the words we become energetic and we can remove our frustrations, depressions. Now it is the time to do something different, greater, nicer, finer for our nation. So, for the upliftment of our personal, professional, national, social life, we must devote and dedicate our time, our place and actions for bringing it up. Thanks. I again thank those who are listening this truth of life to these spiritual words. Thanks.